First, we will log into the admin panel. This is the overview page of the admin panel, and I'm going to change my language to the Pashto. So now the language has been changed to Pashto. Now let's get back to the English, and this is called analytic page. So this page is all about your overall insight of the website and the performance. This is the user management section where you can manage all the users from just one tab. You would be able to see all the students, school and teacher. If you want to see them separately, then you can navigate through these pages and be able to see them separately. And this is the lesson library section. So this is where we can create all the lessons and the library from the lessons. So let's create a lesson first, then we will create a library. First we will have to create a lesson, so I will need to upload a thumbnail. I'm going to call a big idea or something 2.1 because we already have something. Going to add a description, have to select proficiency level, and have to let's just make it published. Or you can keep it as a draft. Now once we create it, now you'll have to click on the edit button and going to upload our first PPT. So the PPT file is being uploaded now. All right, yeah, so now you would be able to see the full PPT from here, and you can add your teacher's note from here. You can add the transcript from here. What will happen when you publish this PPT, this transcript will automatically generate an audio using Amazon service, and you don't have to upload a separate audio file here. But if you upload a separate audio file, it will not generate the audio from the transcript. So let's say I uploaded a audio from here, and now I'm going to upload a transcript from here. And sailing, I would be able to see it in the live class. I will show you. So I'm not uploading any audio here. Publish. Now it's saved. It should be published now. Let's go back. I would be able to see it from here. Let's create a library. So I'm going to call it big idea 2.1. I have to set a description. Now I have to select a color. We have the lesson library. Now I have to assign the lesson into this library. So where's the big idea 2.1? Here's the big idea 2.1. Now I have to save it. I can also add others if I want to add it. Now let's go back to the library again. So here's the library. I would be able to see what are the lessons I assigned to this library. Let's work on the course section now. Let's create a new course. I'm going to call it Mastering English. Give a description. Now save it. Now I have to assign lessons from here. To add some lessons, hit the save button. Our course is ready. Now let's head toward the home section. I can create new homework from here. Let me call this homework 1 for the lesson like test 2. I'm going to select test 2 as a lesson. Check on multiple questions. Now I'm into the multiple question section. I have to add what is your name. I have 4 option. Now let's say I want to B is the correct answer, and I would like to give 10 points for this correct answer. So I saved it. I can add more question if I want to. What is the expect? I'm just going to select one of the question. Good. And now I'm going to set as a right answer, it would be A. And select the points, save it, right answer. Now add more question. Let's say multiple question is done. Now I'm going to add a fill in the gaps. I have to select the fill in the gaps, and now I have to write something. Let's say I'm going to say what is your name. So I'm not going to write it like this. This is like so this is the answer, and these are the questions. So this will be blank. Now I have to add some option. I can add more as I want to. But let's say I'm just going to say give some option. Let's give some option called are where. I have to set the points for the right answer, and now the question is saved. How are you? R would be the right answer, and wrong answer will be is. Now I can save it like that. Let's add one more question. It's true and false. So what is I'm just going to set banana is a vegetable. That's actually false, and the question is this. Point is 10. Question has been added. Roses are red. It's true. Point is 10. Save. Now I can add more question if I want. Like I have to select this and start waiting it. Let's just publish this one. Publish it like that, and you can see our homework. As you can see all the details. And let's head to the placement test. So placement test would be like this. Title here. I want to say like placement test 1. Now I have to select a proficiency level. Let's go to the next page. I have to add grammar section first. So let's select the grammar. This is the instruction page. Basically you will have to write instruction 1, instruction to something like that and hit the save button. Now you will have to add some questions. Let's add a questions, just questions. And one, say A is the correct answer, the point. Second is add a the question with the dash, add D as a correct answer, and the point is 10. Have the next. When you click on the next, looking for reading test. So now I will add instruction for reading test. Reading test 1, 2, in the save button. To next page, I can add some paragraph so that the student can read it and read this. Save it. Add more questions. Now I saved it. Another question. A as true. Okay. Now next go to the next phase. So this phase is for the listening test. I will add to the next page. You can upload a audio options. Save it. View. As you can see, placement test. So this is how you can create a placement. Now you can manage your proficiency level from here and can manage your subscription from here. See the members, you can see the payment history. This is the data export option. So data export request means whatever school is trying to export their data, they will send a request to you, and once you approve it, it will send it to the school email account with the data. This is the rating system, the authorization section where you can actually manage your access from here, the student, teacher, and the school. And this is the support section. All the tickets will be stored here and you can actually view it and reply directly from here. This is the knowledge base page. Basically it's like an article section where you can actually write some article specific common problem. This is available for all student, teacher, and school. And here's the settings section. In this tab you can change your profile and password. Site settings is for changing the site logo, footer option, and localization setup. Email, you can change your SMTP setups. You can edit your email templates directly from here. Set your payment gateway if you want to. Then you can set up your tickets and auto reply. You can add new knowledge base directly from here. All you have to do, just click on the add new questions, then you will be able to do that. This is all about the admin dashboard. Now we will go to the school dashboard. Now let's log into the school admin dashboard. So here is the school admin dashboard. You will be able to see all the overview, and now you can see your lesson library. You can have your own library if you want to. Can have all the lessons. You can create your own lessons as well. You can see the all drafted lessons here. Then in work section, this is what student has been assigned to and submitted or not sub. This part will be everything from the students. You would be able to see like how many homework has been assigned, how many placement test has been assigned to the students, or you can assign your placement test from here. You can select what placement test you want to assign. So I'm going to assign placement test 1 and then in beginning 001. So I'm going to assign it to the students. Now as placement test has assigned successfully. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's check the lesson history. This is basically all the lessons has been taken by their teachers or by schools. You can see it from here. This is the billing page for billing information. This is enterprise. You can add your teachers from here, remove them. You can do bulk actions as well. This is for the student. So you can do all the management of students. This is archived students. So if you delete anyone, they will be appear here. Also, and the teach for the teachers as well. And this is classes. So basically you would be able to create new classes, assign lesson a student directly from here. And this is homework section. So all the available homework, you can select all of them, assign homework to the people. And this is the course section where you can create your own course and also or you can launch it for the students and classes. This is the export section. So you can either export your own account data or you can send request to admin to get some data from admin. This is for import section. So you can upload your teachers and student directly from here. You would be able to download example file from here. So this is an example format here. You can download it, fulfill it, and upload it here. It will automatically work like that. Then this is the support system where you can create new tickets for any problems. Create directly tickets from here. And this is knowledge base. They can so you can actually see what is going on, and if you have any questions, you can directly search. And if you don't find it, then you open the support settings page for your profile settings and passwords. So this is all about the school dashboard. I will show the live class in teacher dashboard. Let's get into the teacher dashboard now. Let's log into the teachers panel. So here's the dashboard of a teacher. They can see their analytics and everything from here. This is their lesson library page. They can have their own library and lessons just like the school, and they can manage the student from student management system, see their profile. They can see what is their homework, what is their placement test. You can see their lesson history. Here they can create notes for them, create a note for the student. So I can create a note from here. They can see the classes that they have been assigned to, or they can create their own class. They can add their own student as well. But here's the catch. So if school allow teacher to create new students, then only then it will be available for the teacher. But if the school doesn't allow them to create a new student, then it will not be available here. They can also drag and drop the students to change their classes if they want. And from here, you can also assign placement test directly to or a single student. So let's under the courses section, you would be able to see how many courses your student just completed, and then you can see their lessons inside of it. You can see the overview, and then you can generate certificate for them after finishing a course. Certificate has been generated and also available to the student. This is their lesson history, whatever the lessons they have, and we are going to launch a live class now as a teacher to show you how this live. You have to navigate to the lesson library page, and then you have to select a lesson from a library. You have to click on a launch lesson button. Then you have to select student or class, then enroll the lesson for the student. Live class will start in few minutes. Now the live class is active, so you can take notes as a live from the live class. You can give feedback from the live class. You can end it from here. You will be able to see teacher's note. You will be able to see all the available tools we have. You can expand that. You can draw your text. You can mark something if you want to, so upload new images if you want to. Upload this one. You can also clear your full system from here. And now let's add a text here, so I can expand the text. I can also write something, let's say whatever the text, and I can switch to the whiteboard mode. I can write some text here. Let's write some text here. Just remove them. Now I can remove them as well. Now if I want to upload a YouTube video, I can upload the link from here. Also I can upload a video from my end. Just have to click on the choose file and upload your own video. It will be available here, so you can play the video, you can see what's going on and all the things you can do from. And let's switch back to the normal mode again. I would like to show you the transcript, how this is working. So this one, maybe I uploaded the audio, so it's going to play the audio. Now it's next one, we had a transcript that already translated into this without recording. So this was the transcript basically. So selling your ideas, this was automatically generated. And then you can actually close it. Like let's close the let me change the text if I have to, text color as well. Let's just select the whole text and say CFOT, and I'm going to change the color of the text to the red. Now the text color has been changed to red color. I can expand it as much as I want. Let's close. Let's add. You can add also new student if you want to. Let's say I want to add this student into the live class. So I can invite the student, and the student will get notified in their dashboard, and they can also get into the dashboard. Oh, one more important feature, we can actually expand out this whole teacher's note from the docket, and I can close it. If I close it, it will go back to that option. And now let's close this live class without assigning. So this is the overview of the teacher's dashboard. Now we will go into the student dashboard. Now let's log in as a student. So here's the student dashboard. If any of the teacher or school launch a live class, you will get a real-time notification here that a live class has been started. And then you can also find the live class notification from your notification bar. Then you can head over to the lesson library. Whatever lesson was assigned to you will be shown right here. You can view the lessons. You would be able to see all the slides of a lesson. You will be able to see all the notes you have taken from the live class from here. Go back, and then let's go to the to-do tab. Under the to-do tab, you will be able to see what homework and what placement test has assigned to you. So let's run a placement test from here. As you can see, this is a note I have to read. Then I have to select some answers. I have to go for the second one. I can see the instruction. Now I will be able to play the audios. I can also answer whatever they are saying. Then that I can go to the next question. This is the reading test, so I can view the text. I can after viewing the text, I will be able to answer it. Let's take a test. I can also record. This is for the speaking test, so I can record my answers just like this. And after one recording, I won't be able to delete it. I will have like one chance to explain what I'm doing. And after all the questions answered, then I will be able to save and finish the placement test. So once we completed the placement test, it will go from to do to completed work. After completed work, teacher would be able to review your answer and approve it from the teacher end. Now let's go to the courses. So courses is like the place where you can see what courses you are in progress, what courses you have finished, and what courses you have to do. If the course is completed, then you would be able to see the certificate of the course. If the course is not completed, you would be able to view the course and all the lessons. And you can also rate the course like this. So let's say I like the course, so I'm going to give it 5 star. I'm going to write some text about the course. This was an amazing course or something